Guys, I'm still in my Solana trade. I hope you guys are all having a great Friday. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. Right now, I'm still long on Solana. I've been long on Solana since approximately back around the 1st of September. I don't want your spam text, whoever that was. I know it was a robot. So on the 12-hour or on the daily time frame, I'm still long on Solana. I still see this falling wedge playing out. I still see this bigger extending triangle playing out to the upside, and I still see a measure move of 297. Bitcoin, Solana Bitcoin looks very bullish to me. That chart shows you how well Solana is about to outperform Bitcoin. It shows me that Solana is about to break out compared to Bitcoin here in the next coming weeks, which makes me want to long Solana. So also, again, you have an ascending triangle breaking up on the massive daily time frame, but then inside that pattern, you have a falling wedge that is about to break up. If we zoom down to the 12-hour time frame, you're above the 200-day moving average. You're above the daily 200-day moving average down there at 157. So my stop loss remains the same at 176 or around that area. I don't remember exactly what my stop loss is. I could look. 8-hour time frame making another mini flag above this flag that looks like it wants to continue to break out. In the 4-hour time frame, above the 200-day moving average, that's a great sign. So I see this continuing. Just keep it simple. It does not have to be rocket science. I see this continuing to the upside here on Solana, still basically just hovering around my entry point at 205.4, right under it right now. 1-hour time frame screams we're about to rip. I would like to see the stock side get completely oversold, but right now the 1 hour still looks pretty good to me. And if you want me to draw another flag, I see another flag brewing on the smaller time frames. One thing I will show you and tell you right now is I don't want to see another head and shoulders pattern. So I would say this: if Solana on this bounce cannot break above 208, that's kind of bearish to me, because this is just the bearish scenario. I'm still long, but this could be the bearish scenario, is that you're about to make your right shoulder, and that would be no bueno. I mean, here's your neckline right here. So again, if you can't break, I would say 209, that would be pretty bearish for Solana. But you know, we'll see what happens. I like the 33-minute. I like the 1 hour. I just don't want to. I want us to see. I want Solana to at least crack 212 and make a new high. Really, 222 would have been a nice high to break. This was another, I talked about this, or at least saw this, maybe I didn't make a video about this. This was a head and shoulders pattern that did dump to the downside. So at this point, I would just like to see Solana consolidate nicely here. And you definitely hit that measure move of the short to the downside on Solana. I don't want to see this happen again. So at this point, if Solana does break lower, yeah, your measure move is basically back to 200. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I could see this becoming a head and shoulders pattern if on this current rally up, we do not break 209. So I don't want to see that, but I'm still long on Solana nonetheless, and I'll leave it at that. I just want to update you guys on my current trade. And yeah, that's my update. I'll see you guys on the next one, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your Friday. Enjoy some football tonight. The trend's your friend till the end, at least on the 4-hour time frame. The trend is to the upside end, as is the daily. That's why I took a long on the daily time frame. Again, this trade could take several months to play out, maybe 2 months to play out. So hopefully it doesn't take more than 2 months. But again, if I win this trade, I make about $1,100. If I lose this trade, I lose $300. So again, risk to me is very low. That's my update on Solana. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great night. Adios.